captured chaos as a severe crash unfolds at a quiet intersection.
Holy, I got that camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you have your camera? Wow.
Yeah.